Hi friends, welcome to Circle Time. Let's get started, okay? Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you this special day? I'm so glad you came today. Hello, hello, how are you? All right, guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I miss you so much. Let's do our counting, okay? All right, let's start with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. All right, and in Spanish, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good counting, friends. All right, so the last few days we've been talking about some letters, haven't we? We've talked about the letter A, which says A. That's right. The next one we talked about was B. B. We talked about the letter C. C. Yeah, let's put these up here like this. A, B, C. And yesterday we talked about, oops, this one was hard to see, wasn't it? Let's see if we can put it like this. Maybe closer. There we go. There. The letter D. D. That yellow is hard to see, isn't it? All right. Today we're going to do the next letter, which is the letter E. Do you guys remember what the letter E sounds like? What sound it makes? Remember, this one is the one that you guys always laugh at me. Because I go like this when we say the letter sound. Okay, it goes like this. Eh? Can you do that? Eh? Like when Grandpa can't hear what you're saying. Eh? That's the letter E sound. Eh, eh, eh. So here's the letter E, and I have some things that start with that sound. Now the E also can be confusing because it makes its own sound. It says E also. So some of my pictures start with an E sound and some start with an eh sound, okay? So here's one that starts with an eh or an eh, okay? What is this? It's the first car of the train. The engine. Engine. The elephant. Here we go. Here's one that starts with an E sound. Ear. Ear. This is the planet that we live on. We live on planet Earth. Earth. Ooh, does anybody know what we send notes in the mail in? Sometimes Mommy and Daddy might get things in the mail in an envelope. Envelope. And my last one is an egg. Egg. Yeah. So all those things start with an E sound. The E says eh. The E says eh. Every letter makes a sound. The E says eh. Can you guys do that with me? Eh? All right. I'm glad you guys like that one. That one is funny. All right. I want to, before we go to reading the book, I want to practice writing the letter E. Okay? So, to write the letter E, the big letter E, we're going to go straight down. Then we're going to go to the top and go across. We're going to go to the middle and go across. And we're going to go to the bottom and go across. It's just 4 straight lines. Okay? We're going to start at the top and go down. We're going to come across the top, across the middle, across the bottom. Just like that, okay? Let's get our finger pencils out and let's do it with our finger pencil, okay? I'll hold this like this. Let's write it with our finger pencil. Start at the top and go down. Then we're going to go to the top again and go across, to the middle and go across, and the bottom and go across. Good work, guys. All right, I want you to practice writing your letter E's today when you're doing your work from your packets, okay? Get your salt trays out and use your finger to write the letter E in the salt, or use your notebooks or other things that you have to practice writing the letter E, okay? All right, you can even make the letter E with the popsicle sticks, can't you? There's lots of ways that we can work on the letter E. All right, I want to read this fun book, and I'm going to tilt the screen down a little bit because it's easier to hold the book that way. And it's called We're Going on a Nature Hunt. I wonder how you go on a nature hunt. This one is by Steve Metzinger, and it's illustrated. So Steve wrote the book, right? He wrote the words, and illustrated by Miki Sakamoto. So Mickey drew the pictures, okay? That's what the illustrator does. Let's see what's going to happen on this nature hunt. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. I wonder what they're going to search for. We're coming to a bridge, a narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers, but don't pick them. Because we want other people to enjoy them, don't we? We can look, but we don't have to pick. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. I wonder what they'll find next. We're coming to a pond, a clear, sparkling pond. What's on the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pads. Oh, do you see that when they get in the boat, they all put on their life jackets, right? So that's another safety rule, isn't it? If you're around the water, you should have some kind of life jacket on, huh? It's a slippery, sloppery frog. Look at that frog jump and swim, but don't scare it. We want to be nice to the frog, don't we? We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. I wonder what they'll find next. We're coming to a meadow, a wide, hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, 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 down into the ground. Ooh, I wonder what they're going to find in the dirt. It's a worm! Look at that wiggly, waggly worm. But don't hurt it. Have you guys ever found a worm? I know our friend Jose from the afternoon class posted a picture that he found a worm, didn't he? That was cool, Jose. I liked seeing that. I liked to play with worms and bugs when I was a kid. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree, a tall, leafy tree. What's in that tree? Let's find out. Climb, climb, climb up the crooked branch. What do you think is going to be in the tree? I think the kids are in the tree, aren't they? But do you think they're going to find something else? I think they might, yeah. It's a scrickety, scratchety nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. But don't touch them. We can just look, huh? What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a buzzing sound. It's a beehive. Let's go. Back down the tree, back through the meadow, back across the pond, back over the bridge. We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last. All right, that is a fun book, you guys. I hope you liked that book, and I hope that you are able to go out on a nature hunt of your own. Wouldn't that be cool to go out and see what you can find? Maybe it doesn't have to be out in the woods. It could just be in your neighborhood, and you can see what kind of maybe flowers you see or what kind of leaves you can find. If you can find any birds or any other animals, that would be cool. Maybe ask mom or dad if you can do that, okay? All right. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you again on Monday, okay? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. I'll see you guys on Monday.